Are you an entrepreneur looking to start a business in Turkey? Or maybe you're ready to expand but unsure where to go. How do you choose the right city? Scroll endlessly through websites, read government reports, ask strangers, or just go with your gut? Here's the reality: nearly 50% of businesses fail within 5 years, and poor location choice is one of the top reasons why. That's why we built the Turkey Business Location Value Analyzer, a tool that turns weeks of complex research into one clear, data-driven recommendation, built with real data and powered by real insight. Getting started is easy. Simply enter your target city, select your business type, and upload any relevant project PDFs, then hit Analyze. You can switch the output between English and Turkish with a single click. Instantly, you'll see a suitability score for your chosen city. Not only does our system analyze key advantages, disadvantages, and demographics such as population, average income levels, and education, but what truly sets the Turkey Business Location Value Analyzer apart is its grant matching engine, which automatically finds government incentives tailored to your exact business. No more guessing, no more outdated spreadsheets, just smart, grounded insights that tell you where the opportunity is and how to fund it. Once your analysis is complete, a fully formatted report and all the relevant grant documents are seamlessly delivered and made instantly available for download. Or, if you prefer, save the entire chat history for later review. If you're unsure where to start your research or don't have a specific city in mind, don't fret, our system is more than welcome to recommend you a location based on your individual business plan. Just select the Recommend Me option in the city selection field and let Turkey Business Location Value Analyzer guide you. Our tool picks the best city based on the carefully calculated suitability score. As a bonus for developers and power users, we provide a debug mode that allows you to inspect the output in its RAWJSON format. Whether you're starting fresh or scaling up, we help you find the right place with the right support, all in one click. Start smart, start strong, start with Turkey Business Location Value Analyzer.